Hello children. Yeah, today in English we are going to look into another poem. Okay, come on, open your term 2 textbooks. Yes, on to page number 35. We are going to look into second poem, that is High Flyer. Okay, High Flyer. So by the word we come to know an object which is flying very very high. Okay, that is high flyer. Are you all there? Right, come on, let me read the poem. High Flyer, written by Charles Jigner. I fly above the tallest trees. I'm not a bird or a plane. I have no wings or feathered things. I do not like the rain. So here we are talking about here I. I means the kite. Yes, I fly above the tallest trees. So when you fly kites, you can fly it so far, so high. Yes, so even you can pass over the tall trees. It can cross even the tallest trees. I am not a bird or plane. I am not a bird, nor I am a plane. I have no wings or feathered things. So when I am flying so high, I don't have feathers nor any wings. I do not like the rain. Okay, so this I is telling I don't like the rain. I fly so high that I can cross the tall trees. But I am not a bird, I am not a plane, I don't have wings, nor I have feathers, and I don't like the rain. That is the first stanza. Now, second stanza, I play among the passing clouds. So, when I fly high, I start playing among the clouds, okay? Passing clouds. I like to raise and sail. Raise and sail is to go up and come down. Okay, so when we fly kites, what happens? Sometimes it goes up and based upon the wind. If the wind is blowing very slow, again it would come down, and when the wind is blowing fast, again it would go up and come down. So I like to race and sail and go all along. I'm a friend who loves the wind. So I am very friend whom I love the wind, because if wind is not there, can a kite fly, children? No. So kite, he loves the wind and he tries to make good friendship with the wind. I am big and have a tail. So I am very very big and I've got a very big tail. I like the gusty month of March. Gusty means windy. Because in the month of March we have very huge winds blowing. So when the wind is more, the kites can fly higher and higher and higher. I soar way out of sight. So when I fly, I can go out of the sight also. You can't see me so high. My shape is like a diamond. I am a brand new kite. So who is I here? It is the kite. Okay, so my shape is like a diamond. So how is the shape of a kite? We see it like this. Yes. So it is the shape of a diamond with a very big tail. Okay, so that is about the poem Kite. Okay, let me read once again. High Flyer, I fly above the tallest trees. I am not a bird or plane. I have no wings or feathered things. I do not like the rain. I play among the passing clouds. I like to race and sail. I am a friend who's loved the wind. I am big and have a tail. I like the gusty month of March. I soar way out of sight. My shape is like a diamond. I am a brand new kite. Right? So today we have looked into the poem on kite. So what is this? Basically this poem talks about how the kite flies because of wind it is moving high up. It doesn't have feathers, it doesn't have wings, it likes to go with the wind. It is a very good friend of wind, okay, and its shape is diamond, having a very big tail. Okay, I hope you also enjoyed the poem, children, right? Thank you.